Right, this is Downtown Train by Tom Waits. Outside, another yellow moon punches a hole in the night time, yes. I climb out the window and into the street. I'm shiny like a new dime. Downtown trains are full of all them Brooklyn girls. They try so hard to break out of their little world. She raises her hand, they gather like crows. There's nothing that'll ever capture your heart. They're like the thorns without the rose. Be careful when you look in the dark. And if I was the one, you'd choose to be your only one. Oh baby, won't you tell me now? Will I see you tonight on a downtown train? Every night is just the same. Oh baby, will I see you tonight on a downtown train? All my dreams, they fall like rain. Oh baby, I know your window and I know it's late. I know your stairs and your hallway. I walk down the street and pass your gate. I stand by the light of the four-way. You watch them as they fall. Oh baby, they'll have heart attacks. They stand the carnival, they'll never win you